Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozi, a Nigerian mom and a YouTuber based here in Manchester, United Kingdom. I am vlogging today and I'm taking you guys along with me. So I'm going to visit one of my friends. She's also a YouTuber here in Manchester in the same estate as me. First time here, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and do not forget to click on the notification bell, okay, to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returnees, thank you so much for always supporting me. So relax and let's enjoy the vlog. See this woman, right? I came to do my facial and she dragged me to do paperwork.
Don't worry, you guys will see the finished work.
Can you hear her?
You see how beautiful it will look.
Just she think I'm gonna stay for her to finish the paper. I said to her that I'm gonna come at 6 o'clock. She said 6 o'clock is perfect. I didn't respond. The next thing said, 6 o'clock is perfect.
And in a normal day, paper for don't tell me you come now.
This is 6 o'clock perfect for me to come and help her. See, she dragged me here.
Can you see my face now?
Change your looks. Look at her face. Come and do. Look
We
at
are decorating our son's room.
So it's done now, guys. You can see everything is beautiful. Viewed here to here. And look at the helpers. Helpers.
We want to transform our kids' room.
Yeah.
So let's say hello.
Say hello, baby.
Hello.
One with the wallpaper. Could you imagine what she did? I was coming here to do my facials and I asked her of time. And do you know what she said? Look at her face. Just see her. You know what she said to me? She said 6 o'clock is perfect, not knowing that I was coming to do wallpaper. Can you see that, guys? She turned me to a handyman.
It's really beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful.
But I'm going to be using you next time.
A first try,
Yeah.
and it came out like this. No.
And you
Anyone
see
can
the other
actually do
helpers
it.
as well. That is Kezia and her little baby.
Say hi.
Say
Hey,
hello.
Prince. Say hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, this is like she's saying hi, you see? So yes, we're done with the wallpaper, which I wasn't expecting, to be part of. Anyways, one of the reasons I came to her house is just to test one of the Mary Kay products to see which does match my skin, and that is what we are doing. So what she did was to try on different shades, and finally when we got the one that suits my skin, the full makeup started. I wasn't expecting this, but I just relaxed and enjoyed the full makeup from start to finish, and you're going to see the end result of this. It was super amazing, super amazing. And yes, she's Change Your Look UK. She's a YouTuber as well, so go check her channel out. I would advise you not to go anywhere. Sit till the end of this video and you will see the transformation, unexpected transformation, guys. Unexpected transformation of what she did on my face. She's an amazing makeup artist. So if you live in Manchester, you want to get your face done, Change Your Look UK is the place to go. She does sells wig and also she sells a lot of stuff. She's got amazing content. You need to check her out. Like I said, sit tight, do not move, and see the end transformation of my face. had to do a voiceover on this section. So this is the outcome of my coming to test Mary Kay product, turning full makeup. Oh my god, this is amazing. And this is done by no other person but Change Your Look UK. She's also a YouTuber. Check her out, Change Your Look UK. She's got amazing content. How do I look? I hope I look good. This is the end of the video. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Guess who's loving my makeup behind? My little baby daughter.